I'm speaking with Dr. Ashwin Mehta, a leading cardiologist and a Padma Bhushan awardee. I'm Namita Jain, a wellness professional and an author. Doctor, we hear that 10,000 steps a day is a must. And we know that this came from, this concept came from a Japanese company way back in 1960 when they were developing this device called the pedometer. And today everyone on their smartphones is counting their steps, and also many people have downloaded the app to count the steps. So what do you think is the significance of 10,000 steps?
I think it's just a symbolic suggestion
Right.
that one should indulge into physical activity.
Right.
Of these days, we see that the young boys and girls
Right.
spend 2 hours in front of fluorescent screen in a
Right.
day.
Right.
Be it video, be it a mobile phone, or be it even an iPad, whatever it may be.
Right.
But that's what is happening. Any form of exercise
Right.
in a day,
Yes.
at least 200 minutes in a week,
Right.
is, I think, very, very helpful.
Right.
Besides creating a sense of well-being, it also helps tremendously
Right.
in postponing and preventing heart disease.
Right.
People who have been regularly engaging themselves into exercise tolerate heart attack much better. So I strongly recommend that any form of exercise,
Yes.
be it aerobics,
Right.
any form of exercise,
Right.
if it is regularly practiced, I think it helps.
Right. Thank you, doctor. So I think this 10,000 step is a good number to strive for. Do you think
You're
so?
right.
Yes.
It's a symbolic suggestion.
Yes, it's a symbolic suggestion.
Yeah.
Thank you, doctor, for this interaction and your time.